All right. So this is Math 2, Unit 9, Worksheet 6B. Notes. Remember, I'm doing homework notes, meaning I'm just doing homework problems with you. Are we all ready? Okay, I'm going to start off with number 1. This is what we were just doing on the previous page. Please stop the talking. What's in the front here that I don't see? What are my factors of 1? Is this the one where I can use the shortcut?
Yes.
It is. Now, do I do the factors of the 12 or just the 20?
Just the
I check the 12 at the end. Okay, 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Navaretti. Because of this right here, what are my two signs? Say it louder. Same. Do I have to look at my neighbor? Yes, the neighbor tells me they are both what? Negative. So Q minus and Q minus. 1Q and 1Q because that multiplies to the Q squared. Has anybody figured out what numbers we're going to use here? 4 and 5? 2 and 10? Why 2 and 10? Good question. Let's check it. -2, -10. So you guys said this is the shortcut, so 2 plus 10 is 12. Yes or no? Okay, -12. It works. We're happy. And we box in our answers. Now when you're checking, you need to show me this right here. This is part of your work. If you don't show me your check work, you're not going to receive credit. Okay. Number 2. Can you guys please stop? Knock it off. Number 2. Factors of 7 and factors of 24. Factors of 7 and factors of 24. 1 and 7. Is this one where I can use the shortcut? Yes or no? No. What are my factors of 24? 1 and 24. 2 and 12. 3 and 8 and 4 and 6. 5 doesn't work. 6 does, but we'd end up with generating the same list. Okay, double bubble. Please stop. Does it matter if you put 1 in and then the 7 in? Or 7 in and then the 1 in? It does not matter. Do we all agree? Okay, so what does this last sign tell me here? Different. 1's minus and 1 is plus. Do I look at the neighbor to help me figure out which one is which on this problem? No, I do not. I just have to check it and see. Okay, I'm trying to get 13. There are a lot of choices here. 124, 24, 1. 2, 12, 12, 2. 3, 8, 8, 3. 4, 6, 6, 4. Do you see there's a lot of possibilities? There's 8 possibilities. Guys, have any of you feeling like you've done enough where you can kind of do some of the guessing and checking in your head?
No.
Some? For example, can anybody tell me why this is a guess I wouldn't even waste my time making? Because you can see right there that's going to be too big, right? So think about that when you're putting numbers in. For example, if you're trying 3 and 8, would you put the 8 there to multiply with the 7? Or would you put the 3 there to multiply with the 7? The 3. So make some guesses, check it, and see which one works. My signs might be wrong. You can check it and figure it out. Let's go. Everybody's working it out. You're going to try it on your own. I'm going to help you right now. Not yet, Kashari. Yes, hustle, please. Nobody knows how to do this one?
Yeah, we do.
Do you have it? Michael, you have it as well? Okay, I'm going to call on both of you. First, you give me the numbers. No? Okay, Michael, do you want to give me what numbers did you use? 6 and 4? Can you tell me where you put the 6 and where you put the 4? Never mind. Okay, it's okay. Anyone else? Yes. Okay, so before you tell me where the 3 is positive, where does the 3 go? With the 7 or the 1? Okay, you have your signs different. Is that what you're telling me? Okay, so are my signs wrong? Yes. Okay, can you guys tell me this? Does the 3 go there and the 8 go there?
Yes.
All right. Now, it's important that the 3 is with the 1 and the 8 is with the 7. Now, I have a few people telling me I'm wrong. Do we all agree that 7 in and 1 in is 7 in squared? And negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. How do they know that I'm wrong? Yes. Because I haven't done my check, and he's telling me it comes out negative. This is negative 21n. This is 8n. That adds up to be not positive 13, but
Negative.
and is that what I'm trying to get? Easy fix. I can't flip-flop the numbers because the 8 has to stay with the 7, but I can make the 8 negative, the 3 positive. Positive 21, negative 8, is that now positive 13? Yes or no? All right. Does that make sense, guys? Okay. Number 3. What's the leading? Do you guys want me to do 3 or 4? 3 is the easier one. 4. Okay. Factors of 2. Factors of 27. Is this the one I can do the shortcut? Yes or no?
No.
Number 3 is the shortcut, and most people find those easier. Do you guys agree? Okay. So, 1x and 2x, or 2x and 1x, it doesn't matter. What do I want to use for 27? 1 and 27, 3 and 9. Is that everything? Okay. Now, Nav already helped us last time. Kashari, can you help us on this one? The last sign's negative. Same or different? If you're not sure, you can pass it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it off.
Okay, Michael? Thank you. They are different. Because the only way to multiply to a negative is, guys, if one is positive and one is negative. I don't know if that's right. I will fix it. Okay. I'll let you try. 127, 27, 1, 3, 9, or 9, 3. Would it make sense to put the 27 there and the 1 there? Is that a guess I should waste my time with? Why not? That right there is too big when you multiply the 27 and the 2. So try either flipping it or doing the 3, 9. You guys are saying it's 3, 9? Remember, my signs might be wrong. Okay, those of you that have done it, does the 3 go with the 2x or the 1x? 3, and the 9 goes with the 2x? Flip my signs? Okay, let's check. Stop, please. That's 6x. The outside is what? Negative 9. Does that add up to positive 3 or negative 3? So flip the signs. Minus 3 and plus 9. Negative 6, positive 9, positive 3x. Make sense?
But you can flip the sign.
Yes. As long as the 3 stays with the x and the 9 stays with the 2, you're good. All right. Can you guys flip this over to the back side? Can you guys please stop? Flip over to the back side. All right. Stop the talking, please. Shh. Guys. 11 and 13, 12 and 14 you can do on your own. I'm going to go quickly here. These are on the test, by the way. Write possible expressions for the length and the width, bless you, of a rectangle with this area. Please stop the talking. Do we all agree that area is length times width? Yes or no? Bless you. They're asking you here, what was in here to begin with, so that when you did your double distribution, this came out as your area. So on all of these here, they're asking you to factor. Nowhere will it say, psst, hint, you have to factor. You just need to know. All right, what's my leading coefficient here? 1. What are the factors of 1? Is that one where I can use the shortcut? What are my signs, same or different? And the neighbor tells me they're both what? Negative. And then I list the factors of 48. Unless you guys can kind of do it in your head, what times what is 48? It's a shortcut that also adds up to 14. Let me know when you guys have it. Please stop. Anybody have it? I heard somebody whisper it. 6 and 8. You guys should all be writing this down. This is your assignment. You get points for this. Okay. Check it. Negative 6x, negative 8x. Does that add up to the middle term? Yes or no? Okay. So you write your answers like this. X minus 6, x minus 8. There's your length. There's your width. What if you put x minus 8 at the top and x minus 6 at the bottom? Would it matter? No. All right, you're going to do the same thing for 12. You're going to double bubble, and then your double bubble goes over there separately.
Does the parentheses matter?
No, the parentheses are not needed at all. So because you wrote them separately, the parentheses are not needed. They're not necessary. It's okay if you write them. Most kids do, but they're not necessary. All right, can anybody tell me what's different with 13 that we've not seen yet for in this particular lesson? It is a triple.
There's a variable at the end of it.
There's a variable at the end, which means there's a what that we need to do first. What is the greatest common factor?
No, 12. No, 1. One.
There's a one.
Just an
There's
x.
none.
It's 1.
There's no constant, 1x. There's no constant that comes out, but do you agree they all have an x?
Yeah.
If they all have an x, x is part of your GCF.
Wow.
All right. X times what is x to the third? Add your exponents. X to what power? Second. So you end up subtracting the exponents. Plus, please stop. X to the first times what is 2x squared? 2x minus x times what is 99x? Minus x? Sorry. Minus what? 99. Gentlemen. Okay. All right. X double bubble. I'm going to cover this. Is this a difference of two squares or a trinomial? Okay, so cover the x. What's the leading term here?
You got the X and the 99.
I factored it out. X times 99 is 99x. Okay, guys, what's my leading term? My leading coefficient? 1. What are my factors of 1? So 1x and 1x. Same sign or different sign? And is this one you can use the shortcut?
Yes.
Okay, 1 and 99, 9 and 11, 3. I forgot to put the 3 in there. What is that? 3 and 33. Which one is going to work? The 9 and 11? I'm trying to add up to a positive 2. Which one has to be positive? To be positive 2, would the bigger one have to be positive? Please stop, gentlemen. Plus 11 minus the 9. Would that work? What does the inside give you? Positive 11x. What does the outside give you? Can you guys add those together? 11 plus negative 9. Positive or negative? Positive 11, negative 9 is positive or negative 2? Positive 2x, is that what I'm trying to get? Okay. There's one term, how many factors do I have here? 3, that's where the 3 lines. What's going to go on the first line? Second line? 1x plus 11, the third line? X minus 9. Now, if you put the x in the middle or the end, will it matter when you list them here? No, they're just factors. You could flip-flop these two. You could flip-flop those two. The order does not matter in how you write them. Number 12 is like 11. 14 is like 13. Is this clear? Okay. Last one I'm going to do with you. Shush. I said I wasn't going to give you guys 10 minutes. All right. Listening. Listening. This is on the test. It's probably the one the most missed on the test. Because I feel like we've never really had enough practice with it, which is why we're doing it now. Please stop, gentlemen. Which of the expressions is not a factor? Key word is we have to do what here? Factor. What do I do first? Greatest common factor. Is there a greatest common factor between 3x cubed and 12x?
3.
Not just 3, but 3 what? 3x. Good job. 3x times what is 3x to the third? X to what power? So we can add exponents and get cubed, yes or no? Okay, minus, just 4, no x, right? Because I already have the x and I just want an x, yes or no? Okay, now I'm going to cover the 3x. Is that still factorable or am I done? I'm not done, why not? I heard somebody say it. Dots is correct. You guys agree with Isaiah? That's difference of two squares.
Yeah.
Okay, 3x, double bubble, x plus and x minus what? Square root of 4 is 2. How many, this is one term, but how many factors do I have? I have 3 factors. One of these here is not one of these factors. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3. Which one is it? Is C not a factor? X plus 2 is there. X minus 2 is there. 3x is there. Is x minus 4 any one of my factors? No. That's the same thing you're going to do for 16 and 17 on the test. Any questions?